Hi, this is Stan from Stan for Adventure, and today I'm going to be reviewing and talking about a couple items that I got from Wicked Stock for my recent trip to the Get On Adventure Festival in the Mojave Desert. I do receive a small little bit of compensation from Wicked Stock, but in no way does that ever affect my review of the items. So I didn't know what kind of weather I was going to be facing out in the Mojave, so I got a pair of waterproof pants from Wicked Stock. They're incredibly reasonably priced. They come lined with a thermal lining, which can be zipped out, and then they're a little bit lighter. They have good ventilation in the two sides, and then they air out into the back where you can unzip it here and on the other side as well. There's accordion elastic here, as well as a zipper to attach it to your jacket. Again, accordion elastic here above the knees for a little bit more flexibility on both sides. Velcro on the ankles so that you can get a little bit of adjustability. They zip up so you can get your boots in there. Very nice. The fly zipper area also has a flap that snaps over it to better help with the water protection. Velcros up as well as zips up, as well as snaps over. Cinch adjustments at the waist, both sides. Two pockets in the front, also zippered with a flap, again, for better water protection. These are 100% waterproof. There is padding on the hips, which is removable. And there is padding on the knees that is adjustable. There's reflective piping along the front, as well as down here on the legs for good visibility. It also comes in a black and tan combination. The bulk of the pants are made with 600 denier polyester, and the knees are 1680 denier polyester for a lot more abrasion protection. I didn't get a chance to use them while I was out in the Mojave at the Get On Festival, but I wanted to be prepared. These are a little bit lighter than my other riding pants, and I wanted something that was light, to be honest with you. When you take out the thermal lining, it's a very light pair of pants, and they offer some good protection. I definitely recommend these pants. They're at a great price point, and if you get a chance, go to Wicked Stock and check them out. Another item I got from Wicked Stock is the Underdog protective riding shirt. I didn't know how hot it was going to be out in the desert when I'd be riding, so I wanted protection, but again, I just didn't want a lot of heavy equipment if it was going to be 95, 100 degrees. So I got this protective undergarment that I got from Wicked Stock that I wear underneath a motocross shirt. It's got good padding on the shoulder and the elbows. Zips up in the front, where you wear it just like a vest, a zip-up shirt. It's got protection in the back. Got a nice spine protector right here, which kind of reinforces it. It is C1 level armor protection, and the pants also are C1 armor protection, which really is my only fault with the Wicked Stock stuff. The protection isn't the greatest. It's fine. You can upgrade it if you want, and it would easily fit into the pants and to the undergarment. The quality of the gear on the Wicked Stock site is really great. The prices are fantastic. And if you want gear that really isn't going to break the bank, check out Wicked Stock. If you liked the video, press the like button. Please subscribe. This is Stan from Stan for Adventure, signing off.